patron, please know that I have the extended version over on Patreon right now if you are interested in that. And if you're not a patron, you are more than welcome to become one. Just head over there. I have it linked in my description box below, and it's just some extra footage that I've taken today, some extra conversations, etc. But this morning, it's 6:25 right now. I've been up since 4 o'clock. I set my alarm because I wanted to finish the process of making my sourdough boule. And it is done now, but I hear it crackling. That's something that is pretty new to me. It feels like it's very firm. I guess a lot more than, I don't know. I'm just wondering if today's is different than I've ever made it. So, I've been told to let it rest for 45 minutes and then to cut into it. This is what I plan on bringing to the ornament exchange party, which we are headed to Vegas in about 35 minutes. So I need to finish getting myself ready. I wanted to answer a few comments and, just make sure everything that I'm going to be bringing is ready for the day. I'm going to be charging once I get to Vegas, but then we'll be picking up some McDonald's, because usually when we take a road trip with the kids, that's something that they always look forward to, especially if it's in the morning. But this morning, I'm not going to get it, like if we're heading out. And by the way, that means nobody's eating in the car, which is always a plus. But I told my mom that I would be picking up McDonald's for them when we are headed to her house, her and my sister's house. So, and they're no longer in Lake Havasu. They've moved now back to Las Vegas. So anyway, we're going to go to their new place because my mom still has renters in her house. And so I know, whole thing, but she has a new place that she's been loving, and we're going to go over there, spend some time with them, and then we'll be going to the Christmas ornament exchange party. So I just wonder how this boule is going to turn out, because that is what I planned on bringing today. So clearly I still haven't put the gifts in the trunk of the car, but that's okay. They're ready to go. I've been doing some last minute things, like I had these towels in the dryer, folded those. I need to put them away. And the other thing that I was doing was there was an outfit that I wanted to wear today, so I just went ahead and did some of my laundry last night, and I forgot to, in the rush of all the things I was doing, I forgot to hang up my clothes to dry. So I had a big ball of them on my dresser in the dressing room. And then early this morning, I put the things that take a lot longer to dry, I put those in the dryer. But it was mainly this, which when I looked at the instructions, it said to lay flat to dry, and this takes so long to dry. So I ended up putting it in the dryer. Not as long as I put these items in there, but it's dry now, and it doesn't look like it's shrunk or anything. That's what I was nervous about. And then I also wanted to wear this skirt, so I ended up ironing it and just allowing it to just kind of hang dry for a little while. But it's not really damp, but that was one of the reasons why I wanted to iron it as well, even though it had some wrinkles in it. But I can feel a little bit of dampness right in here. Well, it turns out that sweater is just hugging my midsection a little too much for my liking. I feel like I would not be comfortable the entire time. So, scratch that blouse, top, sweater, whatever you want to call it. I'll just wear the shorter sleeve one. This is what it looks like. See, it's a little looser, not so form-fitting and tight right there. Okay, so I am just going to do a quick curl just to give my hair a little bit of life for the party. And then we will just about be ready to go. Hopefully. I mean, I went and woke all the girls up at the same time. They had about an hour to get ready, you know, and they'll just take a shower. I never ended up painting my nails. So I would like to do that, but I'll probably just do it like right before I start driving, I'm thinking. Because I just always feel so much better when I have that done. And I recently took all my nail polish off because it was chipping. And once it starts chipping, then it can catch in your hair and, you know, it can just get annoying. So once it starts chipping, I like to just take it off then. But then it's a matter of figuring out a good time to paint them again. So Jorge's up. He's getting ready to make his pizza dough some more, do the next step, whatever that is. I guess I just don't have the patience for that. But that's okay, you know, there are things that he really takes joy in and things that I do. So I'm enjoying making bread bowls, and he is on his way to making pizza. So I think that might be what we have for lunch tomorrow after worship service. We'll just all come here, likely have pizza. Hopefully it's good, because what are we gonna do if it doesn't turn out, you know? It's not like we'll starve though. But anyway, so what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so I'm looking forward to seeing my mom and my sister. I feel like I always try to identify which sister I'm talking about by, you know, like when I say my baby sister, she's not a baby, you know, but she is my youngest sister. But they're all younger than me. All of them. And then the other thing that you might be thinking is, how come I've never seen so-and-so? Well, the thing is not everybody wants to be seen. I'm burning myself. Not everybody wants to be seen. And that's something that, you know, you have to be respectful of. So I always want to make sure that whoever I share on my channel is okay with me doing so. Oh no! Oh my gosh. That touched the cord and it started to melt it. Oh my gosh. This gets so hot. Hotter than anything. I still have this little scar on my neck from where it burned my neck. Okay, so is that curling it right? See, I started curling it the other way. You have to do it the same. Like you have to use the opposite hand each time, or else the wave looks a little wonky. So all right, let that cool for a bit, and then I'll probably have to make sure that my bang area is banging. We need to make sure it's banging. There. Will I put it up? I don't know. I don't know. But I think what I'm going to do is today, I'm going to add some of this for some extra texture and body. But I think I've shared before, what I don't like about this is how it makes my hair feel. Like, I love when I first, you know, get ready in the morning because my hair feels nice and fresh and clean and everything, and the moment I put this stuff on, it's like, nope, your hair is dirty again. So I can't say it's my favorite stuff, but can add a little bit more body to your hair, I guess. Okay. And then I'll likely, you know, comb it a little bit after it sets a little bit. So, okay, I should probably go answer some comments and then we're gonna leave. Say hello, Mom. Hello. I believe today marks the longest day that I have ever had, and I am exhausted. I felt like I was going to fall asleep when I was driving, but thankfully I didn't. I made it home safely, and I just need to go to bed right now. So I feel like all the things that I wanted to film, I didn't. I didn't even take the camera out when I was filming. See, I can't even think. I didn't take the camera out when I was with everyone, which, you know, sometimes it's all just about being in the moment. So it was a wonderful party. She did a great job of decorating, and everyone had a good time, and they really accommodated us because my daughter had her last choir performance tonight, and we had to leave by 2 p.m. Vegas time to be able to get to the performance, and you know, for her to get there a little bit earlier, her call time. And it was just one thing after another, and then to put in there time to be able to charge the car, which is something that I didn't really even think about. The things you need to think about. So it was pretty hectic, but we're back, we're home. I am ready for bed, and I'm glad that even if it wasn't much that I shared, especially extra, especially for my patrons, though I did share the extra this morning. Just know that I'm thankful for all of you that you're here. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Welcome to Inspired by Nikkiyt. Today's episode, free